Hi YouTube. Today my grandma ordered a new refrigerator, so we just got it in, and I have a lot of magnets to put back on the fridge because my grandma took them all off the other fridge. But here's my new fridge. It's white like the old one, and yeah. Okay. And we went shopping last night. We couldn't find one, so my grandma ordered it online. And we're missing a bottom drawer and we can't find it. See? Dun, 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 dun. So yeah, and it's really big, and there's that. We got all that. And this flips up like the old one. It's a lot brighter. Here's the freezer. I don't know what's down there, but there's that. And yep, cabbage. And yeah. So I have lots of magnets to put up. So wanna see how many magnets I have to put up? Bleh. Loads. So I'm gonna get on that really quick. Okay, first I have to put these on. They're little fruit magnet things. Here's cherries. That goes on the top. Here's plums. Apple. There's magnets. Apple. Pear. Grapes and watermelon. Watermelon. And I forgot how this goes, but it goes like that. Now I'm gonna get to the papers. Okay, so I have to put my PhotoSage school thing on. Those what days I don't have to go to school, and there's my lunch menu. Breakfast. And there's me as a baby. I don't know why my grandma keeps this on here. So it says 2007, Clementine Haven Stanley, age 2. So, yeah. This picture was taken on my birthday, September 1st. So now I have to put this one up. I need a magnet. And then I have this. It's another one of the things that tells me what days I go to school. And my picture again. I'm just gonna set that right there for a minute. This is something that I got back at school about regions and stuff. Put that right there. Now I have my yearbook order. I'm gonna put that right there too. This is my mom when she was younger, when she was like 20. What is it? Okay. There. And then this goes in a picture. Look like that. I have a lot more to do. So then I have this paper. Right there. And then this is a picture of me when I was really, really, really little. When I was 2 months. 3 months, sorry. And this is my cousin when she was a baby. right there. I'm almost done. And then have this, that has a picture of me, my grandma, my grandpa, her brother, and his wife, and then my uncle. That's me. I'm gonna set that up there. I don't know why my grandma has that. Here's our calendar. I don't know why my grandma has it up here, but she does. So now we have caution junk food magnet. That's probably my favorite one. Here's a magnet that my grandma has for American Family Insurance, which is weird. A frame, a Magic magnet, a cookie, and Marco's Pizza. That's my favorite place to eat. By the way, Marco's Pizza is really good, because they have these cinnamon things there that are delicious, and then they have s'more brownie. Oh, that just melts in your mouth. And I'm really almost done. So then I have this, which has a lot of my grandma's photos and stuff. See? Then it says, there's no place like home. And there's a flower pot, a cat, a house, a tree, a chicken. See? There's no place as home. We put that on the side over here. And then I have a bowl of magnets. Okay, here's the front so far. So I think we're done with the front. Yeah, it's pretty cluttered, but oh well. My grandma won't care. It was like that before we got it. Okay, so now here's this side. It's all blank, so we're gonna start putting stuff like right there. So I'm just gonna set the camera to where you can see it, and boom. Move that out of the way. So first, we're gonna do that way up there. No, like right here. Right there. Then we have a Snickers. It's a magnet. I really want to eat it, but I can't. There's some more light. So here's the Snickers again. It's a magnet. I really want to eat it, but I can't. See? Can't eat it. Rubber. Put that on last. Here's a cookie. Magnet again. Strawberry. Magnet. That's pretty much all the food, but my grandma has these, and they're little people that say, and this one it's a beat, and it says the beat goes on. Put that right there. Okay, I'm just going to introduce you to all my magnets. And here's a snowman. Here's another one. They're magnets. And then here's a yam or potato. And it says, I am what I am, obviously. And here's a butterfly. Butterfly on a big magnet. And you can take it off. Right there. And you can do this. It's heavy. Do that. Dang it. And it's stuck. Hold on. Okay, I'll fix it in a little bit. Oh, there we go. The magnets always come out. There's the little magnets. So my grandma has it on that to stay. There. Right there. Beautiful. And then here's a pot of peas, and it says, mind your P's and Q's. And here's a radish, and it says, Radishing Beauty. Right there. And then, I don't know what this thing is, but it says you have to have heart. I don't know what kind of fruit that is. And then here's a walrus. I can't tell what it says. That's all worn out. And then here is my last fruit magnet. Here's a cucumber. So it says be cool. Haha. And then here I have some of these. Happy thoughts, happy days. Small treasures, great pleasures. Sharing is caring. And then I have caution junk food again. And then I have a knitted butterfly, the magnet. And then my last but not least, magnet. It has a picture of Mary and God and baby Jesus. And yeah. And that was not my last one. That was a lie. Last but not least, Z magnet. Just a big black magnet. So now I'm gonna let you. I don't know if you'll be able to see from right here. I'm trying to get this set up. I can't get it. Okay, here's the fridge. Hi. And then I'm just going to show you how to put them up. And I'm just going to stick them anywhere so you can see, and then I'll show you up close. And I'm going to rearrange them. Oh. And let's organize them a little bit. Put them next to each other. Snowman's on the sides. And then we'll put these like that. Key in the middle. And then two. Boom. 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 And boom, boom. Last but not least, ta-da! And I'm gonna put the calendar. Wait, right there, because it fits perfectly. And then I'm gonna put this on the side where my grandma had it. So let's look at it up close. Pow! Jing! See it? Boom. If you like it, please comment down below. Like this video if you like my new fridge. If you want me to rearrange it, then tell me in the comments, and I'll make a new video about me rearranging it. Okay? Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Toodles. Bye.